With grainy, contrasty black and white images, Aprilio Akbar tells a real-life story, almost as a magical tale of transformation. First, there is a woman, filled with hopes and dreams. Then there is a family as she gets married. Then the violence inside that family happens, and she feels so very alone. But then she finds other women who share similar destinies. They form a community to support each other.
Together with several women living on the banks of the Ciliwung River in Rawajati sub-district, and established the Ciliwung Rawajati Women's School in October 2003. The school was established as a place for joint learning so that women understand gender equality, domestic violence issues, and find solutions if they become victims. This is done to establish gender equality in their environment, especially in the family. Since its established until now, there have been at least 5 cases of domestic violence that have been handled by Ciliwung Rawajati Women's School. Overall, my photo story tells the story of solving domestic violence cases through education.
In 2018, a study showed that every 4th to 5th woman in Slovenia has suffered domestic violence. In neighboring Croatia, mentality is that about a quarter of surveyed adults consider domestic violence to be a private matter that should be addressed within the family. Only on the end of 2019, after a wave of public protests, government passed harsher laws to penalize domestic violence. Aprilio is a national press agency photographer in Indonesia, but images from his project, named Resilient, are empathetic, emotional, metaphorical, inspirational, and definitely relevant far beyond Indonesian national borders.